In which of the following molecule the central atom said to adopt sp2 hybridization? So we have to calculate the hybridization of the central atom. So what is the trick to calculate the hybridization? Beryllium. Let us take BeH2, beryllium. Beryllium, the atomic number is 4. So it has 1s2, 2s2. What is the valence electron? The outermost electron is valence electron. That means it has 2 valence electron. Now it has 2 hydrogen. What is the valency of hydrogen? It is 1. So this 2 hydrogen is bonded. Now to calculate the hybridization, see this one bond pair is S and another this bond pair is P. Here the hybridization is sp hybridization. Next, BF3. So what is boron? Boron atomic number is 5. So it has 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. What is the valence electron here? 3 valence electron. So put 3 valence electrons. So this is 1, 2 and 3 valence electron. Then how many fluorine is atom? How many fluorine atoms surrounded? 3. You know fluorine the valency is -1. So this is bonded with 1 fluorine and this is bonded with 1 fluorine and this is bonded with 1 fluorine. What is the hybridization now? For this one bond pair it is S. For this bond pair this is P1 and for this bond pair it is P2. The hybridization here is sp2 hybridization. So this must be the answer. Let us check C. C2H2. That means C it is having linear structure. See, it forms 2 pi bonds with the sidewise overlap. So this is 2 pi bonds. Here what is involved in the hybridization? It is sp hybridization. It is also linear and it forms 180 degree. Then going to D, NH3. So N you have atomic number 7. So it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. What is the number of electrons here? 5. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then how many hydrogen are bonded? 1, 2, 3 hydrogen are bonded. That means it has 3 bond pair electron and 1 lone pair electron. Then what will be the hybridization? Totally this is counting means 4. This is S, this is P1, this is P2 and these 2 electron is P3. So the hybridization is sp3 hybridization. So question is, in which of the following molecule the central atom said to adopt sp2 hybridization? So in BF3 it adopts sp2 hybridization. This is ethyne molecule which is having sp hybridization. It has a triple bond. One is sigma bond, another is pi bond. So in the sigma bond, what is the hybridization involved? One s orbital and one p orbital involved for the formation of pi sidewise overlap is the. So the hybridization is sp hybridization. Our answer is sp2, which is BF3.